Hi. Teka. Good morning. Okay. We just get to Virgin, Norway. Okay. Here are my groups. Hi, hi, hi. Bayaran mo yan, ha?
Dito tayo. Oh, maganda. Dito mo yan. Wow.
Okay, mag-picture daw sila.
Tayo.
Bakit?
Kasha ba ng ano? Kasha? Yung ruha ba? Kasha basurahan naman yung background natin. Okay. Ay?
Okay. Gracias. Enough.
Dito tayo sa orange.
Okay. Ang dami naman yan. Ano?
Siyempre, kinuha sa isa.
Thank you. Okay, that is Norwegian Prima.
11808.
Oh. Okay, this is our ship. Oh, this is the Norwegian Prima. Where is the Prima? Ayan, laki. Parang ba building.
Ano pang mga room? Ay, na prima.
Okay.
Sabihin mo ang room.
It's okay, just put one is good enough. Thank you. Hindi pala naka-record kanina na naman. Okay, hindi naman malamig ano. Okay, the weather here is I feel 17 degrees Celsius. Anyway, that is there, Norwegian Prima. Okay, this is our barko. There, Norwegian Prima. Aha! Ayan. Laki. Hello. Hi, Miss Beautiful. Welcome to Norway Virgin. Of course. Okay.
Nakatulog ka ba? Hindi naman.
No. Too much alcohol. Okay, dito muna. Oh, yan yung barko na. Oh, maganda. Hold on. Ba? Oh. Akin na, kunang ko kayong dalawa. Ha? Gime, kunang ko kayong dalawa.
Ito, bilis.
Ha?
Ito.
Talag ulit.
Game. Zip.
Welcome to...
Sama na. Sasama.
Ako ba'y naka-live din? Welcome to Virgin,
Tara.
Norway! Here. It's not virgin, but virgin. Ayan. Look at our ship. Okay, maglakad kami. We need to catch the taxi daw. Dito, malayo. Ang lakarin din. Hi. Hi, Kai. Welcome to Norway.
Takot na lang yan.
May bus pala eh. Guided tours. Ay, mahal ang guided tours. Maglakad na lang. Oh. Yan yung next stop namin. Dapat 3 o'clock.
Ha? 3?
Yes. Orkin, cable car and souvenirs. Hi. Okay, how far is to get there?
The bus journey by 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
And we have left departure at 8:45 because the cable car opens at 1 o'clock. So it's a bus directly to the cable car.
How much to get there by bus?
695 kroner per person.
600 kron?
Yes, and yeah, 'cause it's with the bus and the cable car.
How much is kron? $2.
In euros, it's 60 euros. And
6.
60.
60. Okay.
In dollars, it will
Okay, I'll talk to my
Per person?
family.
Thank you.
Yes.
60.
In euro.
Tara na lang sa bangko. Sa bangko.
Downtown.
Para ka
60
lang nag-whistler.
dollar. No, 60 daw yung ano, bus, and then you just go up to the gondola. When we go to the
Downtown.
city center, there is a free funicular, I think. Oh, there's funicular.
Panji, ito masasabi ko, kung maglalakad tayo, we have to go. Hindi
No. We have to take taxi from here. Maglakad kayo. Di ba 40? Six. Hindi ko po alam. Nagtanong lang ako dun sa tour. Ay, yung bus nila, every 10 minutes daw, $60.
Sa 70 pag US dollar, pag euro.
No. That's equivalent na. Yeah, 60 pag dollar. Okay, let's go ng route.
Funicular na lang.
Ha? Hi. Okay. Sabi mo kanina 40.
Hindi
Oh,
Doon kayo sa ano?
sira.
It's a little bit steep. If we want to do the hop on hop off, it's 400,
Kron.
415.
No, okay. Who's in favor for walking? Walking na lang kung 20 minutes. Di ba? Okay, let's go walk lang around 20 minutes.
20 minutes lang naman eh.
Here, I got map.
Okay, let's go walk lang.
This is where the hop on hop off goes. It goes all over.
Hapon hop off kayo? Gusto nyo? Magkano yung hapon hop off? Yun, daw.
Less than 40 euros.
Less than 40? Okay, what do you wanna do? Yeah, but if we do the hapon hop off, we can cover a lot, right? And then if we walk na.
Sa downtown.
Yes, yeah. So we just have to look, hindi lang ako. Okay, so we can...
Yeah.
Okay, let's
The
go back
original
around.
is 495 with discount, or 475 with discount. 450.
Okay, I think it's better.
No, we have 2 more stops. 2 more miles.
Yeah,
The original is 41 euros.
yeah, I think it's better this one. We can cover a lot. What do you think?
Less than 40
Tapos
euros.
You okay? You okay with that?
Yeah, we'll go with this.
Okay, let's go na around. Okay, let's go kasi mamaya
Well, a lot of these stops are just restaurants.
okay. So, this one is
There's some
important,
parks,
the
fish
funicular.
market.
Yeah, we'll do the downtown area.
Okay. So, okay, we'll just go to downtown then. Then you will have to pay 40, di ba?
But it depends where you want to go, because if you want to go to multiple stops, then we could do this.
Yeah.
But if you just want to go downtown, it's better to just walk so you don't spend
Only
40, right?
downtown, but if do we have time? You think?
We can ask
To
her
go
what-
around. Okay, let's go. Okay, we'll go. We'll go. Okay, let's go.
Last. Kasi sayang din.
Correct. Kasi dadalhin tayo dito. So, that's fine.
Kung 400, punta 40, mura na yun. Yan sa kabila. Para dyan, yan. Kasi pwede man tayong bumaba bandi sa ano eh.
Ha?
Sa downtown.
Oo nga, hindi gaya nung ginawa kahapon kasi
Yeah.
nakatulog nga ang tao.
Sa ating kahapon sakay tayo na sakay.
Correct.
Bawat ano baba tayo.
Yes.
Masyal. Tapos sakay na naman.
Oo nga, para makita mo naman
Para
yung kahit
makita
restaurant,
mo.
di ba?
Kasi sayang yung bayad natin.
Correct.
1 hour, di balik na tayo niyan.
Oo.
Hindi naman kailangan lahat baba tayo.
Hi, we are a group of 15. Any discount for a group? Okay, so how...
Normal price is around 47-48 US dollars, but is it all adults?
Oh, yeah.
All adults. So what we can do,
We have 18-year-old.
then we can give the 18-year-old child ticket, and for all of them we can give the 20%
Okay, thank you.
discount.
But all senior. We are all...
20% discount for each ticket.
Oh, thank you. Okay, how much is the ticket then?
Let me just check.
Can we pay
Which card is the best?
US dollar?
Kaya may mga discount ang senior.
If
at
you're
saka
going to
ito,
pay with
Senior
Cash?
kami.
Lahat nga.
it's gonna
Lahat
cost
senior.
more. The cheapest is
Saka ito, may
because
discount
we need to
mo.
exchange it.
Yung student.
Norwegian kroner, so that's why.
Okay, how about we have a crown? We crown, no chance, cash. How much?
Okay, so that it would be wait, sorry.
How much each with the
The
discount?
normal ticket would be 39.26.
Dollar,
That
right?
is already with 20% discount. The price is like 48, 49
Okay.
euros.
Okay, how long is the loop?
1 hour.
1 hour.
good, yeah.
Okay, so we have to
Tapos baba
calculate
tayo.
how long we stay. 1 hour. So this one get right here. This one here.
Not this one here, that is for the other company. You just need to exit the port and walk around 2 to 3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes we walk. Then we can get this one. Maybe it's better. This right
It's
now.
going to a cable car to a
Ah,
and
okay,
back.
okay,
Or
okay.
you can use us the whole day.
Yeah, okay. So guys, if we pay crown, is it cheaper?
Yes.
Let's me say their money. This is the Norwegian money. Let's show.
Do you have a senior discount?
Yeah, saka ikaw.
Don't have, but I told that everybody is going to have a 20%.
So how much each person?
39 US.
39 US dollars. Normal price is 48.
In kroner?
396 Norwegian kroners.
Okay, it's up to you.
And you have one child that was supposed to be 18 years old. That should be already an adult ticket, but we can give a children ticket.
Okay, here I pay more.
Okay, how much discount she will get? But this is spread the whole group.
Because normal, because she's already valid for
Yeah, understand.
adult ticket,
Yeah.
so she has 300 Norwegian kroners, so she has 194 Norwegian
Oh.
okay. $19
Hindi na kayo sasama, maglakad kayo. Kayo na lang, kayong tatlo. Okay, kayo.
Hindi tayo maghanap.
$39 lang. Oh, ibabalik tayo dito. You don't need to walk. Then we just stop every stop. So the loop is 1 hour. Ah? Okay, so make sure you go back 3 o'clock, ah. Tatlo lang kayo. Ha? Abay, nakikinegosyate ako rito. Tapos ikaw naman I don't know what to do.
Okay.
3.
So
Hindi pwedeng
as I
4.
said, go follow the
Yes.
people and then turn the left. Yes, by the main road. Yeah,
And this is good for two?
exactly. So, you're welcome. Enjoy.
But I can still do the 20% discount.
So maglakad kayo to the town. To town.
If some of your group decides to walk and most of the group
Oh, magwag na lang kayo? Eh kung magwag kayo, di magwag na rin kami. Anong, di ba? Ano, magwag na kayo? Ha? Oh, I don't mind. Okay. That's okay. Eh, magwag sila. Gusto nyong magbas.
it's going to take you to the exact same spot that you were coming going to because the buses are going in circles so that when
Tayo lang. O, sige.
How far is the stop?
it's like 2 to 3 minutes walking distance.
The first bus is 2 to 3 minutes away.
Yeah, at least maikot natin yan. Bababa tayo every ano.
The next departure will be like 8 to 9 minutes.
Okay.
we can pay. How much?
I'm going to do the same what I told you with the 20% discount and she's going to have the child ticket. Okay. That's good to you?
Okay, so magbabas yung kalahati sa group, maglakad yung kalahati daw. Okay, so I'll see you in a little bit. At kami magbabayad muna. Bye-bye, thank you.